Hello everyone, this is Infinite Wisdom HD. We are back again to our channel. Signs your third eye is starting to see. We all know that third eye is known as spiritual eyes. It's also known as the pineal gland. For a lot of the people, this pineal gland or spiritual eyes has been on for centuries. It has been known as the third eyes. The third eye is a great manifestation of psychic powers and deep insight. You may have experienced times when you felt that you could sense that something was about to happen days before it actually happened. These situations can be very overwhelming if you do not know how to make heads or tails of them. Yet, you can still gain more knowledge to enrich your spiritual journey towards clarity. If you believe that your spiritual eyes, your third eye, your pineal gland might be open, but you cannot be 100% sure, you should listen to what I want to talk to you about. Signs your third eye is starting to see. I want you to watch this video from the start to the end because it's going to be very, very powerful. You are going to gain a lot from this. Okay? And if you love this video already, I want you to give it thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. If you're new on this channel, remember to subscribe now to this channel for more videos like this. This is Infinite Wisdom HD. Okay, signs your third eye is starting to see. Number 1, you are having an increasing pressure in your forehead. This is your forehead, right? Increasing pressure is the most common symptoms of an open third eye. You will begin to feel a growing pressure between your eyebrows and the center of your forehead. It can just be an intense sense of something expanding in the middle of your forehead. Okay? So people always say that all these feelings come out of nowhere, and that a feeling of warmth, if you're feeling warm on your forehead as if something was touching your forehead, it is normal. So don't be fearful when these happen. That's number 1. If you are having an increased pressure in your forehead, that might be a sign that your third eye is starting to see. Number 2, when you are having foresight, you might experience instances of increased foresight of future events. You might just be a small tug. It might be a small tug in your tummy that tells you that something is going to happen before it does. No, don't wish this away. Don't overlook this feeling or intuition. Let it guide you to move forward. It may make you fearful at first, but the moment you realize that this power is completely controlled by you, you will have an easier time letting it show you the way. That's number 2, when you have foresight of what is going to happen in the future before it actually happens. Number 3, when you are having sensitivity to light. As your third eye or your spiritual eye expands, you will find that you are more prone to light sensitivity. This is due to the fact that you are literally perceiving the world in a new light. You will also be able to perceive the different type of colors in a more vivid fashion. Overall, everything is related to vision, and light will be heightened. Okay, so this happens a lot when your third eye is starting to see. That's number 3 sign. Okay, number 4, when you are experiencing gradual changes, when you are having gradual changes, because you are more in sync with your spiritual self, you will reap the benefits of your new view of the world. You will find that you are calmer and more forgiving and loving. These changes can also impact your diet, as you will stay away from processed food to keep your third eyes clear. You may not find a reason for these good changes, but rest assured that it is your intuition and your spiritual powers that are guiding you to healthier life choices. You have to monitor these changes, as they are a surefire way of verifying that your third eye is indeed expanding. That's number 4 sign, when you are having gradual changes. Number 5, when you are having manifestation of powers. Contrary to popular belief, psychic powers manifesting in people who have an active third eye are not uncommon. Telepathy, clairvoyance are 2 of the most prominent examples of this. No matter how unfamiliar this can be to you, you must not be fearful. Embrace your powers and nurture them. That's number 5, when you are having manifestation of powers. Number 6, you sin beyond the obvious. Although it can be a burden to know and see more than everyone does, your third eye will enable you to spot half lies and shiny slogans. Okay? So you will have a clarity of thought that will let you make the right decision. Okay? Because you are seeing beyond the obvious. People tell you stuff, you'll be able to read between the lines what they are talking about. Alright? So that's number 6. Number 7, you have a heightened sense of self. This sign is one that many people do not even take notice of. An open third eye will increase your sense of inner self. So instead of defining yourself as a mere person with interest, likes and dislikes, you will instead think of yourself as a part of the fabric of the universe. Okay? So through this, you will choose, and you always know that all of these manifestations are a blessing that you should embrace, not hide. Signs your third eye is starting to see. So there you have it. That's very, very powerful, and I want to believe that you have learned a lot from this video, and this video is very helpful to you. If it does, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now to this channel for more videos. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.